Welcome to this comprehensive guide on reviewing CreditSaint Credit Education. CreditSaint is a reputable credit repair company that offers a range of services to help individuals improve their credit scores. In this tutorial, we will explore the key concepts and features of CreditSaint Credit Education. Firstly, it is essential to understand the importance of credit education. Credit scores play a significant role in determining an individual's financial health and ability to obtain loans or credit. CreditSaint recognizes this and provides a comprehensive credit education program to help individuals understand and manage their credit. The CreditSaint Credit Education program includes a range of tools and resources such as credit monitoring and reporting, credit scoring, and personalized credit analysis. These tools enable individuals to track their credit progress, identify areas for improvement, and develop strategies to achieve their credit goals. One of the key features of CreditSaint Credit Education is its user-friendly interface. The platform is easy to navigate, and individuals can access their credit information and educational resources at any time. Additionally, CreditSaint offers personalized support from certified credit specialists who can provide guidance and advice on credit-related matters. To get the most out of CreditSaint Credit Education, individuals should start by checking their credit reports and scores. This will help them identify any errors or inaccuracies that may be affecting their credit. They can then use the CreditSaint platform to develop a plan to improve their credit, which may include strategies such as paying bills on time, reducing debt, and avoiding new credit inquiries. Best practices for using CreditSaint Credit Education include regularly monitoring credit reports and scores, setting realistic credit goals, and seeking support from certified credit specialists when needed. By following these best practices, individuals can maximize the benefits of CreditSaint Credit Education and achieve significant improvements in their credit scores. In conclusion, CreditSaint Credit Education is a valuable resource for individuals seeking to improve their credit scores. By providing a comprehensive range of tools and resources, CreditSaint empowers individuals to take control of their credit and achieve their financial goals. With its user-friendly interface, personalized support, and focus on credit education, CreditSaint is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their credit and secure a stronger financial future.